yours. You know little highway, yours. Oh.
Ah,
So bad.
I tried.
Green.
What?
You're an idiot.
You're a shithead.
I didn't ask.
You're a bitch.
I didn't ask.
I didn't ask you to talk. I didn't ask for you to say I asked. What if someone said I
I
asked?
didn't even ask you.
What are you going to say about that? And what is the point of saying, did I ask? Like, what is the point? Like, no one says care. Like, no one didn't ask, but what if someone said, what if I did ask? Huh? And if you said what I didn't ask, that's calling you, that's making you a fool. Now you're an idiot.
I like smoking crack.
Are you good or are you cool? I actually never tried that route before. Purple! I think you're lazy.
Oh, dude.
Do you have 68Z? HZ?
No!
I do.
Oh no, I'm so like, just like.
He so sucks, guys. He's so bad. He's so bad. Don't worry, don't worry. Guys, don't worry. Oh my god, he's joking! You shouldn't have went there.
Oh my god. Can you shut up? Hey, can you shut up? You're not good at the game.
Monkey ass moves. Monkey doesn't die. Bye, everybody.
This game's never gonna end, so I'm staying here the whole time. I don't care. I just like that.
Monkey.
All I am is a man. I want the world in my hands. I hate the beach, but I stand in California with my toes in the sand. Use a seasonal sweater and have an adventure. Head in the clouds of my gravity center. Touch my neck and I'll touch yours. You and those little high-waisted shorts.
Oh, there's no way.
Oh my god.
The silence got the mind to a place so far away. It was from dark to late, and then I left him away. And then I watched you play with my finger when you turned to the other side. You touched the door, and when the other beat touched the floor, inside this place is more. Outside the door.
Where did you come from? Where did you come from? Damn. Where did he come from? Mike, I saw him at the bottom of me, and how did he get? He might have did this. I was going like.
Oh my god, my arm's hurt.
I think I tagged.
Man, if your arm's hurt, just use your other arm.
I only meant to tag one.
I thought you were gonna play the PlayStation.
Hey.
What?
Hey.
I'm taking.
Hey.
Sorry, go ahead.
Hey.
Oh my freaking
Hi.
god.
Hey!
Oh my.
Guys, it's just brand.
So do you think I suck still?
He pretty much street camps.
What?
Do you think I suck?
Yes.
You fucking 1v1 me.
Oh my freaking god! Of course my hand has to lag.
Man,
No,
I
thank
want to
you.
teach you something. If you do the finger, it doesn't do anything.
Just tag you.
You gotta learn that because for your age, some kids for you could be very stupid or very shitty or very kind of smart. But for you, you're none of those. You're very fucker. You're very a dumbass, big shit. Fuck you. No one doesn't like you. That's what you are. That's what you are. When you say, if you do this, you could cause a big argument. And I'm telling you the truth. Because one kid actually happened,
shut
he
up.
cried.
You're making
I'm
fun
not
of me.
talking to
I
you.
reported you. Everybody report.
Why are you
Chase
reporting me?
CVR
Why are you
toxicity
reporting
and
me?
Hate speech. Because you're cussing and
Because
you're being
she-
toxic to
but
a
she-
person that
yeah.
didn't do anything to you.
She did.
I'm reporting him too.
She did do something to me. You idiots.
I did not.
Yeah, you did. You did. I caught it on YouTube. It's going on YouTube. I got it. I caught it.
What did you do?
I don't know why I love this song. I actually don't know why.
And now the monkey coming down.
Like hip-hop music.
Cause you're dead. I got the Let's go green. Oh wait, no.
Oh, I seen that.
Hey, Lava Monkey.
Oh, man, just sweating his balls off right now.
Recording green and muted green. Yeah, that's what I did too. He's gonna get banned.
All I am is a man. I want the world in my hands. I take the beat, but I stand.
I didn't see you. Damn it.
Flag, thin air. Turn it on.
What?
Thin air. I'm like that, and you do like this.
Same problem.
There's a delay.
So you happy that you made everybody report me? But
I didn't ask you.
exactly, shut up.
Oh, I had to.
That's what I thought.
This is gay. All he did was this. All he did was this.
Hey, wait, hold on. What's your name? What's your name?
And then I'm up in the
Because
air.
I'm live on TikTok right now. Pinky. Alright.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I am. 12K followers. No, 13. So, what's... Wait, Pinky. Where's Pinky? Pinky.
Whatever.
Toxicity.
Whatever.
Everyone's reporting me because I was trying to explain or something. What? Do not be mean. You were being mean first. Now I realize you were being mean first. Then you came, and I explained you. Well, I was explaining you something, and that the other guy was saying, "Shut up." Then you. So it's technically your fault, and I caught you on camera. So you can't really do anything. Sure, why not? People are so stupid. People are very stupid and strange. Very weird and like this guy. Like that guy. Weird. As a buzz. Whoa! What? Where did you come from? Where did you come from? Damn. You're still an idiot.
Oh god, I'm hitting my necklace. What are you doing?
Well, you told that you reported me, so I think it's fine for me to report you, right? I think that's fine. Makes sense. Modern, no. We have a modder. Guys, we have a modder in here, I think. No, there is. I don't know if he left or not.
Who?
Hey,
Who's
You're better than him. He got tagged first. Hey, don't put up the L. You got tagged first.
This guy right here is reporting me for no reason, but she been mean to me first.
No.
No, you did. I caught it on YouTube. No, you did. Can't say anything.
Everybody report Green because
He
he's
was
like
cussing at me.
Yeah,
Guys,
everybody
no
report
one
Green.
report Green.
I have it on camera. You guys are gonna make it a fool out of yourself. You're gonna make a fool out of yourselves. I have it on camera. I'm recording for TikTok and YouTube. How do you not understand that? How do you not understand that you're being recorded?
Just stop, bro.
You didn't do nothing.
I didn't do anything. She did it first. But that girl's a dumbass. That girl's such a dumbass. Damn. Don't tag me. Don't tag me. I want her to get me.
Green got tagged. What the?
And I'm gonna go post this on YouTube and TikTok. So I hope you make. I hope this.
I'm unreporting you. You should be.
Hey, do you have TikTok? Yeah, TikTok.
Yes.
Well, look at my user ChaseCC_VR, and you can believe me how much I have.
I can't really
Look it
believe
up.
you right now because you
Don't do your
sent me
voodoo
a long
magic
time ago, so I'm not.
It doesn't matter. Look at me up, and you're getting post. Right here.
You're mad I tagged you last
Here, right here, getting post.
You did me. Get great.
Pinky Winky. Pinky Winky. You're an idiot from that. Big idiot.
What I do?
Not you. This guy. This guy or girl. You literally sound like a guy mostly. So this guy right here, and I caught it on film, and you can go on my YouTube and TikTok, and you can see. This guy or girl, she came to me, and she was trying to be rude to me. And I was explaining her, you should not be. Yeah, you. I'm talking to you. Of course, you. So I was explaining her, you should not be mean in public lobbies or something will happen to you. And she didn't believe me. I told her that people will start a huge argument. People will start things. She didn't listen.
I need to mute him, bro.
Why?
No way.
Well, it's true.
Because you're getting really annoying.
Then mute me. I don't want to hear it. Just mute me then.
My guy's on some perk.
So I was trying to explain Pinky Winky to stop being toxic, but she didn't listen. So now I record the whole thing, Pinky Winky. I record the whole thing since the start.
Pinky Wink.
You sound like your name is.
Damn, Pinky Winky was so annoying. Damn. I was trying to have fun with that girl. Damn. I hope she realizes to go on TikTok and she sees me. And her.
What's your TikTok?
It's ChaseCC_VR. And you can see, and there's proof that I have 13,000. And that's me. You muted me, right? I think you forgot to mute me. You should go mute me. Very good idea.
No, you did not.
How? I wasn't even served like minutes ago.
Is the man among the world in my head? I hate the beat, but I still can't afford to put my soul to the bed. You see my sweater, it's happening in winter, head in the clouds, my salary center, Monday.
My money ran.
What? Okay, I can't take with this lobby. There's weird things in this lobby. I'm getting tagged out of nowhere, so I'm gonna be leaving. Hey. This lobby's so weird. I literally just got tagged and no one was in the
Sucking big fat wiener, say hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh, what?
Hello and bye.
Gotcha.
If you like sucking big fat dick, say hello.
No.
And what the heck is that? Okay.
Oh my god, dude, he's a ground player.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna give this lobby.
If you like Alexa, restart.
Okay,
Alexa, you were like right there and I was right there.
Yo, anyone here know
Push my neck. Not just
What?
Why? Where are you coming for me?
Here. Okay, you come stand right here.
I want someone else to come for me, not you. Damn.
You good? No one wants to play? Yo, banana monkey. You wanna play Ghost and Graveyard?
monkeys.
You stand right here,
Monkey.
and you stand right here. You stand right there. I'm gonna go hide.
I hate this lobby, so I'm leaving. I actually hate this lobby.
Okay, ready? 3.
That lobby is so weird. Tell me this lobby's normal.
Nobody likes it. Mom.
Is this lobby normal? What? There's a voice. There's a voice. There's a
Yes, I do again.
Wow! That scared the hell out of me. Tag lag. Hey yo, man. Half tag lag. Blue, you have tag lag. Giving you a warning.
Oh.
Look. There's some.
Guys, everybody tap the brand new purple. He said if he gets taggies, his mom's gonna give him the spanky.
No. His lobby's normal.
Give me a fish. Give me a.
Oh. Really, guys?
I like ice cream.
Oh.
Whoa.
I'm just gonna sit here. And actually,
Got you.
You're so bad.
No, you're bad.
I'm in GG's.
Okay, GG then. Alright, GG. You didn't give me a fist pump!
How are you feeling?
Get your ass down here and here's a fist pump.
Goofy.
Thank you.
Get your ankle.
That's not a bro, that's not a teleport, Yo, they L get juked. Bozo, you got juked. They L get going. But you're a guy, so like all said, is he cheating? Yeah, he never won the game. Say hey, your ass. I don't want to hear it.
No, I literally tagged you.
I don't want one.
You tagged me and you didn't. Actually, go ahead, tag me. And tag him. So I don't want to hear you did not tag go ahead. I mean, and then realize just my control
Did I scare you?
Same with that one.
Hey, bro, do you know how to Fortnite? Yeah.
You ain't okay. I see you. You doing good? Yeah, I like you. I like you. You good.
Everybody here is gay.
Basically saying
Why am I tagged again? No, I'm done. No, I'm not. No. I'm not being tagged again. Hell no. Bye, everybody. I'm not being tagged again. I already did one. I'm not doing it again. See you later. You have a wiener.
yes. Let's go. Ready?
I'm gonna go find bees.
One.
Bee in here?
7, 8.
7858. Okay. I actually want to try and find bees at this point.
Portable on the
Anybody want to play minigames?
3,500.
Hey!
Yes. Yes.
You want to play minigame? I want to play minigame!
If you want to play minigames, go on the computer.
You want to play minigame?
Nobody, no.
You play minigames? You don't want to play minigames. I will worry now.
Shut up.
Susie Goofia!
You're a kid.
I am not a kid. You got it wrong. I'm not a kid. Everyone here is shit. You too. I don't know what I said. Bees in here. No! Is Bees dead now? Does he even exist anymore? He came out on the 10th, 11th, or 12th, or 13th.
You go second.
I'm Vecna. You're gonna be Chrissy and break your bones.
Chrissy, wake up!
Green, you're going
I'm
Discord. Discord, I freaking love your mom.
No, I
There's
can join
bees
first.
in here.
Okay.
Who is Pinky VR?
Green, then R?
Yeah, PL.
Hey, Dad.
Please, but with the number 3.
Yeah,
Hi, Dad.
PL.
Dad?
3R.
Can I get chocolate milk?
Dad, you're
Can I get chocolate milk?
Join
Wait,
first.
is it
Can I have cold cuts?
Don't leave with the milk again, please.
Join first now.
Stay.
the? No, it's letter.
No. 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 No.
We lost our dad.
Yo, does anybody,
You're a shithead.
does anybody
You're a shithead.
One, 1v1. Does anybody?
The second shit.
No, you have my dream cosmetics. You have my dream cosmetics.
You really? You're a shithead. Great. In here.
Okay, well, there's no bees in this.
Yo, purple, purple, purple,
No.
purple, purple.
Why is it taking me 10 years to find one mod or something? I just want to find bees and that's it.
I was just
Were
hunting
y'all
around.
playing whenever there was the bees incident going on?
Where's bees?
J, huh? J, huh?
He has a very bad soundboard.
Yeah, your soundboard.
You have a very bad soundboard. What?
It's because I'm laggy.
It's Goofy, oh no! Goofy Productions, no doesn't care about your damn songs. Understand? No one doesn't like you. No, you, Goofy. No, you, Goofy. Yeah. Okay, I'm done. Why is that kid so mad? He was playing crap music.
I didn't for mini games. Just like how if you play mini
Who is a girl? I see a girl. I see a man. You're a man. Not you.
Mini-games. Nobody wants to play mini-games.
Look, these guys do.
No. Are you too old for mini games?
Dude,
He's
this
too
is
old.
This is not even mini-games Q.
It is.
girl, you know that?
And there's like, no, it's not.
Purple.
And of course,
B in here.
Orange.
B is very hard to find now.
orange,
You want to play mini games?
green, come here, green.
Shut up with the mini games. I hear this every city lobby.
I can
Stop
already tell this
with
child
the
plays Fortnite.
mini games. I wish mini games never exist. I knew. I just wanted to say that. He's in here? No.
Oh. Are we the same color? Wait. Don't leave. Green. Green. No. Where you going? Where'd you go? Are we the same color?
I'm a TikToker with 13,000 followers.
Like, get out of here.
We do not care.
I don't care about your life. I don't care about you. You can leave now. Like, no one doesn't care. I wasn't even asking you. I was asking Green. Like, but what do you mean? Why were you asking?
It's a TikToker. Wait, hold on. Do you know Kaito's VR?
He's my friend.
5K now.
I have
Oh, is he
8
now?
million
No.
followers.
Wait, why is this red? Oh.
It means that you're banned.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god,
I'm banned, right?
Bye-bye.
Does anyone want to play minigames?
Minigames.
Yes.
Who wants to have some free shiny rocks? Who wants free shiny rocks? Who wants free shiny rocks?
Your mom.
Me.
You want free shiny
Me.
rocks? Okay, what you want to do? Come over here. Come over here if you want free shiny rocks. Right. Click them all. Click them all. Click them all.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm trying to find bees.
Come to the our computer. Let's not.
No way. Another minigames kid?
No, I'm just asking. I'm just asking if anyone wants to play.
But every time I'm in a lobby, I see one minigame kid saying, "Do you want to play minigames?" Like, shut up!
Games is the code is
The code is your mom. The code's your mom. The code is your mom. The code is your mom. The code is your mom.
Balance 4 times. 4 times. And then you want to go where purchases, and then you want to get your mom's credit card from her purse and have her phone just in case when the message pops up. Put her credit card in.
Why is he doing that? That's not even funny. That's actually very bad.
I go into the shower.
Is bees in here? No.
Bees? Bees? No, but bees went my server like in a public server like
Well,
4 times.
at least no one's not
That's
talking about
crazy, dude,
minigames.
like 4 times.
Bees. It's bees, but
So
the
I guess
weird,
I'll take this. Oh my
but
God.
normal.
Guys, it's bees.
They should add like 20 people to make it funner.
Yeah, you don't have enough.
Guys, bees in here. Wait, guys, I seen bees. I seen bees. He was literally in front of my eye. But he's not in here. I just literally seen the same thing what bee does right in my face, and he left.
What is that? Mexican daddy. That's me.
There's no. Oh,
Party hat. Party hat.
get your ass out of here. Get your ass out of here. You're too young.
Shut the fuck up, you stupid dumb bitch. Like, go to
You
the
sound like
fucking
you're
store
4.
and buy your fucking family, you stupid dumb bitch.
Stop trying to roast!
77.
Fucking great.
Do you just call me racist?
A grape, you stupid dumb
What do you wanna buy?
You're no. I'm done with this lobby. This lobby's too gay.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Ow! I literally just saw bees. You can literally see that. Go back. Then here.
What do you mean? Your arms cannot go. Like, I'll stand up,
Hey, OG guy.
Standing on something now, bro. Oh,
I'm an OG too. You want me to prove it?
and then once I reach
trying to
this height,
stand
it doesn't
on
let me
something.
back.
Look, come here.
Hey guys, oh my god! Oi! Oi! Bonk.
Oi.
Bonk.
We're all.
He's going to grab the stepping stool.
Look at my icicle, so nice.
Oh, I remember that.
So
I
my
wish I
icicle
got
is so
it.
mystical.
No, it's not.
Where's Ice Place?
Oh, there, my arms are. Hey, bro. I got you,
Hey
fam.
guys, you guys are all elbows out. Chase.
Oh,
I'm gonna go sell ice cold.
Anybody wanna play minigames?
Oh, we got to enjoy this video. Like, guys, you guys make some.
Anybody wanna play minigames?